Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold hits record high as US tariffs spark trade tensions. Gold steady supported by economic geopolitical factors. Trump's tariff bans propels safe haven gold to record high. So, my dear friends, gold made a high of 3077. In the morning, when I woke up, I saw many messages. I thought, what happened? Okay. And when I opened the chart of gold, I was shocked. Okay. I was shocked to see gold around 307273. Okay. And I saw that, okay, it made a high of 3077. So, the safe haven market sentiment is driving gold crazy. So we can clearly see gold is super bullish again. And in this situation, we know it very well that following the trend of the market is the only solution. Selling can give us thrill, but we want profit here. We don't want the adrenaline rush. So if you have any ongoing buy right now, you can hold your buy position with your stop loss below 3050. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously buy at dip or buy at retracement is the only trading strategy for you. And right now we can see that after making a high of 3077, gold is trading around 3070. Thankfully, gold is showing signs of retracement here. Okay, so let's discuss the retracement levels or where we can buy. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Okay, so in this scenario, we have two possibilities. Okay, when gold will be coming down, we will look for a buy position. Why? Because this market is fundamentally bullish. If you really want to have an edge in this market, if you really want to have a higher probability of making money, then obviously you need to be on the buy side. Because if banks and institutions are buying and you are selling because you feel that gold has made the top, you are just making a fool out of yourself. Because if you stand against the trend of the market will throw you out. Yes, today is Friday. I know today is Friday and Fridays are dangerous. So during the US session, if market shows crazy volatility, if market drops, that's a different story. But right now while recording the video in the Asian session, we can clearly see the market is bullish. So your duty is to follow the trend of the market. Okay. So the best level to buy right now is around 3050. Okay. 3050 or around 3050 because it's a round number psychological support, but chances of market coming down to 3050 is very less. So we need to look for immediate levels. So the next immediate level is around 3060 to 3055. Remember 3060 to 3055? It was the resistance yesterday where we got a good selling opportunity. We all made some money. Okay. So the same resistance will be the new support for us. So if market drops, then we can expect good support around this area. The previous resistance will be working as a new support. So we can buy here. So 3050, yes, it is a psychological support. But 3060 to 3055 is another level where we can look for a buy position. So these two are the strong support zones on the chart of gold where we can buy. But you can see that I have drawn many lines here. Okay, so let's try to understand them. Okay, but keep in mind these two are the only strong levels. Okay, these dotted lines are not very strong and not very reliable. So be careful while taking a buy position around these areas. So this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we have our beloved Fibonacci. Okay, so we have drawn Fibonacci here, and we can see that our support is coming around 3066, 3067. So 3066, 3067 is another level where we can look for a buy position if market takes support. Not a strong level at all, not even a medium strong level, but still, okay, still in a super bullish market like this, when market doesn't come down, okay, then we need to look for some immediate levels. So 306667 is another level where you can look for a buy position because of FIBO 0.236, and this came out when we are considering this particular low of the market. Okay, and when we are just changing the low of the market here, you can see we have another level, okay, we have another level around 3062 as well. Okay, and when we are changing the low here, you can see it was the first low of the market that we discussed. This is the second low. Here also we can see market have supported on 3066. And when we are considering this particular low of the market, the low of 3048, okay, we can see already market is standing at FIBO 0.236. So this low of the market, the low of 3048, not 40, 48 is more reliable. So you guys can also practice it like this. Okay. So on the chart of gold, let me simplify. On the chart of gold, okay, we have the best support on 3050 and 305560. But if the market is very arrogant, okay, adamant, doesn't come down, then we can look for a support also around 3066, 306667 or 3062. If market takes support, then only hit the buy button. Okay, yesterday market was, remember, okay, at one point, okay, during the European session, market was super bullish. Okay, to be honest, I had a sell around 3044. Okay, at first, okay, when I saw big candles, I thought not to take the sell position, but I thought, okay, let's go for a small risk. Okay, I took a risk of 0.5% of the capital. Okay, so in no time my SL was hit. Okay, but luckily our resistance around 3055 worked very nicely. I could recover all the loss and also I made some good profit. So see, the reason behind sharing this small incident is that, see, loss is part of the game. Okay, the problem arises when we do not exit at the right time. Most of you have lost your capital because you feel that, oh, I cannot take this big loss, but ultimately we blow our whole account. We always focus on proper entry. We believe that entry is important, but exit is also important. Personally, I feel that exits are more important. So my dear friend, if your trade hits stop loss, then please exit. Do not hold your positions. It can be dangerous for your account. Okay. And one more thing I would like to add here is that before I go forward, that this is the economic calendar. We have PC data coming up during the US session. Okay. PC data is a little dicey data. Sometimes it moves the market crazily and sometimes it doesn't move at all. So be careful during the US session. If you see that there is a sudden drop in the market, then you can take a sell position as a day trader, not for swing or position, because it will be a temporary move. Okay, because today is Friday, okay, and Fridays are dangerous sometimes because traders all around the world book their profits. Okay, so sometimes we may witness some crazy moves, unexpected moves in the market. If you're a beginner, new trader, if you fail to find logic during the US session or during this event, okay, just shut down the laptop and spend some quality time with your friends and family. You don't need to understand the market at each and every point, because we are retail traders. We have a limited knowledge, so we need to only trade when market comes to our level. Okay, so be careful during the US session and please work on your exit plans as well. And now we can see this FIBO is working. So during the day, if market drops, we can look for support around 306667. Okay, and also 3062. And if market doesn't come for retracement at all, okay, we have seen gold many times that gold is so bullish, it doesn't come for retracement at all. Then obviously we can't help it and we can look for a buy above 3079. Okay. Yes, we can look for a buy above 3079. Okay, it will be buying at breakout. But as we all know, buying at breakout is riskier, risky hota hai. Okay, in comparison to buying at retracement. So be careful. The breakout trades, okay, the breakout trades after consolidation are more powerful. For example, okay, let me remove this FIBO. For example, in this particular portion of the market, so this was the resistance of for us. Okay, so if you just observe this particular portion of the market, okay, we had a consolidation. Okay, after consolidation, gold moved. So whenever you will see a breakout, okay, after consolidation, okay, that breakout is really powerful. Right now, if market goes up also, maybe after 50-60 pips, you will see gold coming down. Okay, yeah, it's a possibility. But if you see that gold is like this throughout the day, gold is not even breaking the resistance, okay, gold is not even coming down, it means that, okay, market is in consolidation. After that, okay, if you see market going up, it can be a very powerful move. So If market doesn't come for retracement, we can't help it, but buying at retracement is safer. If market goes for a breakout, observe. If market breaks with after consolidation, it can be very powerful. Okay, without consolidation, if market goes up, for example, right now, okay, if market goes up from this particular point here, then maybe after 50-60 pips or after making a high of 308283, you may see gold coming down. In that case, you can exit from your buy. Okay. And those who are wondering about resistance, forget about resistance. Sky is the limit. Okay. So be careful, my dear friends. Do not fry your account. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. My dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again for the last time. So it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, especially for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. Those all the technicals, all the indicators, okay, following all the patterns, but still in loss. So if you are looking for a solution, then you can consider joining the workshop. I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है, आप join कर सकते हैं. Okay, you can see at first there will be 3 consecutive classes and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. So these are the dates for the weekly, Hindi classes 4th, 5th and 6th of April, and English classes are starting from 11, 12 and 13. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can see I have stretched this for a long period, for more than a month, and the reason is that trading takes time, so that you can understand and execute the knowledge that you will be gaining. Because if we learn everything at once, we tend to forget. And these are the topics that we will be discussing. You can see no fancy topics here. We will be looking at the core concepts only, but from a different angle. We will try to understand how does the market actually work. And you will also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, checklist, lot size calculator, and there will be a special sessions for Indians, residents of India, because trading in India is a little difficult because of some legal issues. And I will also add you to our WhatsApp community, where you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand during this journey how to proceed with the market, where are the levels, how to take the trades, where to take the trades. And this is how the WhatsApp group looks like. You can see that you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis. Okay, and you can join now also till the workshop. You'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis for free of cost. Many people also join for these updates and also because they get ready-made. Okay, they don't need to do it themselves. And these are the topics for the weekly sessions. And my dear friends, all the classes are conducted over Google Meet, and I record each and every session because many people cannot attend because of time difference. And the best part is the fees. It's only $20 or rupees 1500 for the workshop and 1 month support. And trading takes time. If you're looking for personal sessions, mentorship, then you can also look for semi-annual or lifetime support. Here you'll be getting 2 personal sessions in semi-annual and 6 personal sessions in lifetime support and WhatsApp support from my side. So you're most welcome to join if you feel that you are struggling and you need some guidance. These are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group.